From CZ stepping down as the CEO of Binance, Bitcoin hitting a yearly high, and institutions meeting with the SEC about Bitcoin ETFs, it's been a crazy couple of weeks for the crypto community to say the least. And the question on everyone's mind right now is, which crypto do I need to buy right now? Well, in today's video, I will go over my top cryptocurrency projects and projects that I don't see many people talking about, and some projects that I think will see some great potential in this upcoming month. Now, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin is trading at around $37,000 and Ethereum is trading at around $2,000. And right now, there's a lot of hype in the market as we are getting close to that Bitcoin ETF approval deadline, and many people believe that the bull market has officially started. So what do you guys think though? Do you guys think that we are about to see an all-time high for the cryptocurrency market? Let me know your thoughts down below. But in my opinion, I believe that the bull market started last November, when Bitcoin was trading at around only $16,000. And this is the same thing that happened in 2019 in terms of price movements. We've been getting bad news after bad news, and Bitcoin's price won't go down, exactly like 2019. And I don't believe halving cycles will continue to be true after this year. You know, this feels more like a liquidity cycle. The ETF is going to bring a lot of demand, and with interest rates being paused, we could potentially see a lot of price surges in cryptocurrencies.
Nice.
And I won't be surprised if we see an all-time high for a lot of cryptocurrencies before the halving, then a sell the news event at the halving date. Not to mention the S&P 500 is also about to hit a yearly high, but those are my thoughts. And without a doubt, the ETF approval will send shockwaves throughout the market, paving the way for a more regulated and accessible entry point for institutional development, which could potentially reshape the entire cryptocurrency landscape, driving mainstream adoption and influencing the market's dynamics in the coming months. So if you're looking to capitalize on the current crypto trends and seek an insight into the next big investment opportunities, then be sure to subscribe and stick around. And as always, turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates and analysis in the world of cryptocurrencies. Alright, let's not waste any more time, let's jump right in. Alright, now the first crypto in our list is the Theta network. Theta is the leading purpose-built blockchain for video, media, and entertainment, and a lot of people don't know the value that they've been building and what they have to offer. And trust me, this cryptocurrency has some serious game-changing technology. First up, they've got this mind-blowing technology that's all about revolutionizing video streaming. You know, think decentralized video delivery thanks to blockchain magic. And it's not just about better streams, they're incentivizing users like you and me to share our computing power, making videos load faster and slashing costs for content creators. So it's a win-win for everyone. But wait, there's more. The brains behind this operation, well, they've got heavy hitters from YouTube and Twitch, and they're also playing ball with the big leagues. Samsung, Google, you name it. But now let's talk about the real-world impact here. Theta is not just a fancy idea, it's out there making waves in media and entertainment. People are hopping on board, using it left and right, and get this. It's not just stopping there, we're talking expansion into sectors you'd never imagine. Oh, and let's not forget their token Theta. It's not just your average coin, it's for governance, network security staking, and rewards for people sharing their bandwidth. It's like the Swiss army knife of tokens. And trust me, as this network grows, the demand for Theta could skyrocket. And finally, their secret weapon, well, at the centralized network, taking a sledgehammer to video streaming bandwidth problems. So imagine a world where how we watch and share content gets a complete makeover. That's what Theta's bringing to the table. And the major streaming service from the network is called Theta.tv. From here, users can watch and publish videos. And this D app is planned to be included on future Samsung Galaxy phones, which is really neat. The Theta software is already installed on 75 million existing devices as a result of the integration. And as a result of this move, Theta has a global user base ready to go. So you guys, there you have it, Theta Network, rewriting the rules of video streaming one block at a time. And you can buy Theta from Uphold, and that's one of the most popular exchanges for residents in the US, and customers in the US can also apply for a debit card that earns rewards in cryptocurrency. But without a doubt, Theta is here to stay. Now, do you guys think that Cardano is a leader in the cryptocurrency space? I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this, because I say yes. And now, I do believe that we could see a DeFi summer for Cardano or NFTs here in 2024. And by the way, here are the current highlights on what Cardano is currently working on. For example, they have 147 projects launched, they have 1,290 projects being built and 8.7 million native tokens and over 76 million transactions, all in the Cardano blockchain. So in my opinion, Cardano is still a leader in the cryptocurrency space. Not to mention that Cardano's recent rally has been nothing short of impressive. With its value soaring by almost 50% in just a month, this increase has sparked a fresh wave of enthusiasm among the community, especially those rooting for ADA. So what's fueling the excitement? Well, Cardano's strength is shining through various avenues: ongoing advancements, a surge in developer interest, and noticeable uptick in total value locked, or TVL. From where I stand, Cardano looks incredibly well positioned to establish itself as a major force in the cryptocurrency world. Now, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum and Cardano, holds a bold vision for ADA, Cardano's native token. He envisions ADA surpassing Bitcoin and Ethereum, emerging as the world's top cryptocurrency.
How does Bitcoin register? Oh, but it's not. Then explain to me the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and the rest of the gang. Explain it to me. Show me the difference between the two. Tell me. Is there an expectation of return? There's so many different planks and angles that you can take a look at this thing from. And by the way, if you subpoena and attack about 3 different entities, you could perform a 51% attack on Bitcoin, because that's the way the hash power works. But it's decentralized, apparently. It's an absolutely pathetic joke.
Hoskinson's confidence in Cardano's potential to lay the groundwork for a new digital society built on unshakable trust underscores the platform's seismic influence on the crypto scene. But Cardano is a lot more than just being another digital currency. It symbolizes innovation, security, and sustainability. Its unique blend of rigorous scientific approaches, groundbreaking protocols, and forward-thinking leadership positions it as a prime choice for an investment. It's a glimpse into the future where trust and progress walk hand in hand. And as the world undergoes transformations, Cardano stands tall, leading the charge in revolutionizing our transactions, governance systems, and growth strategies in an incredibly interconnected digital realm. Cardano also aims to foster a developer-friendly ecosystem for dApps. Unlike Ethereum, Cardano has a hard cap on the number of coins that can ever exist, topping out at 45 billion. Now, thankfully for many people, around 36.4 billion, or more than 78% of that supply, is already in circulation, meaning the amount of overall dilution remaining is both known and relatively limited. And while you can buy Cardano in all your major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase and Binance. Now, in the last few months, Ethereum has been pretty bearish in terms of sentiment. But why is that? Well, I've seen it underperforming Bitcoin, and we have been seeing a lot of this everywhere about the ratio of Bitcoin and ETH. And you have Bitcoin and Ethereum as very big ecosystems now, and everything else is just trying to fight for number 3. But right now, Bitcoin always outperforms Ethereum and the rest of altcoins in the cycle at first, and then later in the cycle, that's where Ethereum and altcoins always outperform Bitcoin. But what we're seeing now is that Ethereum's supply has been growing. Ethereum uses transaction fees by returning value through a token burn, which means that some of these fees are used to buy and burn ETH issuance to reduce the supply. So when you have the same value and reduced supply, you get a lift up in the value of the token. So that returns value to the holders. You also have staking rewards, which are also like dividends. And some of that fee that they have is paid out to stakers as a dividend pay. Now that dividend has been great, but as you can see, issuance is starting to rise again, so that means that maybe activity is a bit lower. And if activity is higher, you get a massive burn of tokens. And if activity is low, then, well, you get a token issuance. Let's not forget that Ethereum is also leading the way in DeFi with a very robust ecosystem. And it doesn't seem like anyone will be taking the crown for number 2 anytime soon. And again, this is supposed to happen as we are early in the cycle. Bitcoin first leads the way, early in the cycle then follows Ethereum and altcoins. But it also seems like 2024 might just be the year for Ethereum, because in 2024, Ethereum could soar very high. Imagine this: BlackRock, a finance giant managing over $10 trillion, wants to start an Ethereum trading thing called an ETF. And now that's a big deal because it shows how traditional money is getting into crypto. They're calling it the iShares Ethereum Trust. But hold up, the SEC You know, those guys who decide big money stuff, they have to say yes first. And they'll make the call in January 2024. So fingers crossed for that. So we could potentially see a Bitcoin and an Ethereum spot ETF and see a crazy amount of demand for cryptocurrencies. And currently you can buy Ethereum in all major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, and KuCoin. So let me know which altcoin you'd like me to talk about next in the comments down below. With that being said, do not forget to always do your own research before investing in these altcoins and make sure that you're always investing money that you can afford to lose. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Until next time.